I was co-listed a property. It's a very expensive property. And the property itself was spectacular. Gorgeous property. It was like 15,000 square feet. I mean, it was just massive, sprawling, amazing. And we're going through all the different things. And at some point, there's something that comes up that there's a discrepancy in the field card in the square footage. There's like literally 1,000 square feet that are missing. And so we couldn't figure out what it was, and we thought it was a thing, and blah, 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 and this, that, and the other. And we went back to old map, and the house had some work done over the years and stuff like that. We couldn't figure it out. And this deal was going to fall apart. So we are there. I am representing, by the way, the buyers now. So we are going one day as an additional walkthrough. And as we go in off of there's a den area. And oddly enough, the person buying the home looks up and goes, the roof line for the den is actually, it seems like it's longer than where the bedroom should end upstairs. And I looked and I was like, you know what? You're right. So we went upstairs and realized like, that's strange. Come to find out that as we're looking around, one of the panels with the wainscoting on the side of the wall, when you press it, opens. And we found the remaining 1,000 square feet of their sex dungeon.
I was
Oh,
just thinking,
God. I was wondering exactly.
No.
Door
Oh,
pops
my
open.
God.
There is a swing in there. There's leather outfits in there. It was all in there.